This is the friction on inclined plane apparatus. The apparatus consists mainly of inclined plane, the support column, and the base plate. This is the base plate. The slope of the inclined plane can set to any angle between plus 45 and minus 45 with the help of this rotating joint and graduated scale. This inclined plane is covered with backlight layer which has a good reproducibility with the sliding objects without slip stick effect. Uh, there is a pulley at one end of the inclined plane for the application of the load and hanger. Different sets of samples are provided with the apparatus. This is the aluminium sample. This is the brass sample. This is the polypropylene sample. And this is the stainless steel. Total 4 samples are provided with the equipment, and a set of weights are provided for the application of variable load. Each sample has a dead weight on the top of the sample. By this dead weight, with the help of this dead weight, all the samples has equal weight of 10 Newton.